To enter inside the BIOS, either you can keep clicking or hitting the F2 key or F12 key. So I have been pressing F12 key, so I was able to see the boot mode page. So I'm entering inside the BIOS setup. So there are a few things. When you have to enable the USB, you need to check some of the settings inside the advanced. Let's begin with the starting, like boot sequence. You need to check the boot list option to the UEFI, and in the advanced boot options, make sure this is not enabled. Moving on to the next section, which is UEFI boot path security. Make sure the second option is checked with the except internal HDD and PXE. And under the system configuration, under the USB configuration, make sure this is enabled. If it's not enabled, then the USB boot support would not be working. So you need to enable the external USB port for this option. And next one is the security. You need to go to the TPM 2.0 security. Make sure this is enabled. The other two options, you can keep it as default. Okay, it is just the PPI bypass enable and TPM on. And the last one, which is really important, is the secure boot enable, which needs to be checked, enable. And make sure you click on the apply. And then once it's applied, save the settings and click on exit and keep hitting F12 key. Keep pressing the F12 key until you see the screen coming back. And you should see preparing one-time boot. So now you'll be able to see under UEFI boot, you will have your USB attached. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and join. Hit the like button if you like this video, and also please leave the comments down. Thank you very much.